Yeah. 9:30. I got to cut his neck off clean with his fucking shoulder.
Hey, y'all keep the camera on. I'm making run out their chair today.
Jay, what's going on?
What up with you, Tate?
You alright?
That Blueface right there, man.
Yes,
bad
sir,
man,
yes,
bad man. Pistol Frank
I'm
Luke.
Blueface, but we Frank Luke today.
Frank Luke today. What y'all predicting happen today?
I'm back at 3:30. Like it. Like it. He called him Mama. Right here. Nah, it's gonna be a good one, but we coming out. I'm betting on the gap.
Betting on the gap.
We already locked on the gap.
So you think it's gonna be a gap?
I know so. It's the man, right? I know so. The same way you know how to set that goddamn camera every time. Same fucking thing. Come on, man.
Yes, sir, man. What we doing here today?
What's going on, J Mac? I'm down here with goddamn American gangsters. Supporting David Floyd, Wheelchair, all these guys, man. I don't get to come down here much, but I appreciate the hospitality that they give me. And we got a big race coming up in November, Mike Hill's 484 shootout finale. And King Kong and Josie Wells looking for any 484 Nitrous car in the world.
Y'all heard what he said now. Say it one more time.
Any 484 Nitrous car in the world.
Hey, bad man too. He a bad man, y'all.
Appreciate you, J Mac.
Let him go. y'all. So Grudge race is off, I'm guessing. Bacteria is in the box. I'm trying to get a status update and see what happened. So y'all stay tuned. I'll update y'all. Alright y'all, so I just got the status update. The oil pump quit working, man. Basically oil pump failure. So I get, you know, you're gonna have to wait, see it next time. So I'm gonna turn y'all on and keep y'all updated. So y'all just keep tuned in for the channel, man. Sorry y'all didn't get a chance to see the Grudge race. Catch y'all on that next.
So you thought we were bad down there, Joe? Yeah, I said I want to kick in on the children. Kick the question about this. Probably in 5.
Go ahead, doctor. Hey, no, that's tissue. That's tissue.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Hey, look behind that seat.
You know I hate to do it. You know I hate to play the fun guy. I mean, I hate to see the fun guy.
This one behind, this one that's already been over behind.
What this here, Chip?
You see it?
You make my damn floor. Hey, can I get a bill?
Hey, Willie, what time you want? Good. We ain't got the Corona.
What we doing, man?
Hold on, I ain't get that on camera. We'll just say it one more time.
Right now, Brian is the king. You realize I said right now.
Frank Lucas is the king, nigga.
Well, Frank Lucas is the king. What the car? Get a picture of the car.
Y'all see that shit? They right here.
There it is. There it is.
Said